From ice to fire. And everything in between. This is how Single welcomed its guests in Wodzisław Śląski. Single has officially opened its new production facility in Wodzisław Śląski, in southern Poland. The investment significantly expands the group's manufacturing capacity and strengthens its presence in Poland and across Central and Eastern Europe. The opening was held as part of the Single International Customer Day, bringing together customers, business partners, and representatives of the group from several countries. This is not Single's first production site in Poland. How did the company's manufacturing operations develop here?
No, this isn't our first plant in Poland. Previously, the plant was located in Jastrzębie-Zdrój. We had production there from 2021. At the end of 2025, we finished production there and opened a new plant in Wodzisław Śląski. Previously, the facility we were in had an area of 1,000 square meters. Currently, we have 3,500 at our disposal. We now have 4 halls. These are logistics, production, assembly, and testing halls.
Why did Single decide to expand its manufacturing operations in Poland?
Well, actually, I know Poland from before my singly time, and I was always quite impressed with the work ethic and the employees in this part of Poland. I know the rest of Poland and appreciate the rest of Poland, but I know this part best. And that's how it really started, because I had this experience in the past. Effectively, labor is the most important flexibility factor. Now, the supply chain is very important, but labor flexibility and the right attitude for the labor force is extremely important. And that's why the Polish facility, in my view, has a very important, shall we say, position in our manufacturing strategy long term. Right now, we are probably above 80% of the complete production of the Single Group is manufactured in Poland.
How has production at the Polish site developed since 2021?
In 2021, we started with our first 3 devices. Our colleagues from Germany came over for training. They taught our colleagues here in Poland how to assemble these devices. Currently, our portfolio includes over 50 devices, so it's very broad. And these are various types of devices. Some are standard devices that we assemble in series. Others are project-based, meaning at the customer's request, we especially modify certain elements that are most important to the customer.
What role does the Polish facility play in Single Group's manufacturing strategy?
We engineer our products in Germany, yes, but we produce in Germany and in Poland, so we have a 2-location strategy. If a fire breaks out at one location, for example, we would be able to produce at the other location, and this is one example. And of course, we have our production now in the middle of Europe.
What does the new facility mean for customers in Poland and across Europe?
Generally, worldwide, we have much more flexibility in the future with this new plant. We've tripled our capacity here. And for the customers, especially here in Poland, we have a much closer proximity in the future. So we are much faster, we have shorter delivery times.
How is Single developing its local sales and service organization?
We are very proud that we have opened the Single Eastern Europe branch here, which was a consistent step, having the production here with Single Polska since 5 years. And we have now the service, we have the after-sales service, we have the technical expertise, the sales people here for the domestic market, but also on the long-term perspective also for other Eastern Europe countries.
What types of equipment are manufactured at the new facility?
Here in SPO in Wodzisław Śląski, we produce the water based tempering units up to 200 degrees. different style for various markets. We have also a very highly standardized units for the semiconductor market. We have oil units up to 350 degree. So we have a various wide range, and that doesn't limit us only for the plastics industry. Beside that, coming to our overall range, we offer, of course, also chillers going down to minus 45 degrees.
Which industries are served by the equipment produced in Poland?
Mainly automotive and pharma are the main directions that are of interest to us. However, the food industry is also a sector that is very important to us, and the electronics industry, by its very nature, is also key.
Single is traditionally in the plastics market, but we also have a lot of customers in other markets like pharmaceutical market, like the chemistry, medical, defense, aerospace market. So we are also working in that field, and we are very successful also in the moment with battery technology.
What are the next steps for Single's development in Poland?
We expect to grow in Poland, and that's more on the sales side, what I explained. On the production side, of course, we will try to optimize further our production flow, our logistics, and establish, if needed, a third shift to produce the units we need all over the world. We grew from 40 people to 75 almost already in the production here in Poland. If we need to grow further and need more space, we would have over there, looking out of the window, also the possibility to expand.
Without our loyal and good customers, there would be no Single. So customer orientation and customer driven is basically the foundation on which everything is built.
The opening of the new plant marks another stage in Single's development in Poland, combining increased production capacity with local sales, service and technical support.